No, but Vernon's dad, he's like, yeah, let's try to hang out with Ryan McCracken's little brother.
Oh my god.
You're okay, it's okay.
No, I know.
Ryan McCracken's little brother.
I don't know how I can say it. She has a who's going at me?
Why would he blow at you? Like, usually the buses have the right of way. Why would he blow at you?
See it? See that?
Daniel and Dan, and there was a car, and it almost hit us, and then like it had like a distance. Oh! They just left. They hit and ran.
KMD 3893. KMD 3893.
The cop is after them.
Yep.
I swear to God, if this week cannot get any worse than it already is, this is just, this just blows my mind, guys. This just blows my mind. What type of people have a CDO? Stupid. Yeah, liti Michael.
5 minutes later.
God, no. I just got done with the accident report. What the is wrong with you drivers? You stupid motherfuckers, man! Don't move. Let me call the cops. Jesus Christ, you guys don't know how to drive, man! You fuckers! You damn a bugger! What the fuck is this, man? Shit.
Get to a point where, all right, maybe you know, sometimes you need to help somebody else. Maybe do something for somebody else. Fire stuff. I was 5 years sober. Well, no, 2 years sober. Or 2 years sober. I was working in a lamp company, and I'd never been fired.
Another metric we might pick is, you know, a lot of people will say that kids will do better in school. That is better, that they're more able to pay attention, that they have higher academic achievement if they eat breakfast. And they will point to
fish in the pit.
It's clear to do so, you may.
Alright, so one black lock.
We're passing transportation. Speeds are 65. Traffic is light where we're at. Good bit, good bit, good bit. Just boxing in 5.
Stop!